So hello friends, my name is Aishan Gupta and you are watching Technique. Today in this video I am going to share you my experience of rtls5 that how I closed that function. When I am closing my PC, message appears that rtls5 is fixed. So I get stressed about that I closed all the apps, but now rtls I searched many I searched many of the things in app and I get this trick to close the rtls 5 week. So so let's get started the video. First of all, you have to go to the Windows key and right press it, right click it and that and click on run and run the command Chrome. In this you have to type task list and enter. So you get all the tasks that are running in this time. You can see, and if you have to close the rtls5 week, then you have to type taskkill space hyphen s space hyphen im space nrtls5 exe. After that, you you have to press enter. As I told you before that I have closed this function, so if I press enter, then it will show message like this: the processor is 5 week not found. But it is opened, then you get the message like this. I am showing you how to close another app, how to close the rtls5 app with the example of another app. So space hyphen f space hyphen I am closing the Windows Store. So I just type win store dot app dot exe and press enter. If it is open, then you get the message like this. But if the rtls5 week is not open, then you get the message like this. And if you are getting the message like this, then you will never get the rtls5 week running back. And if it is running back, then you can close it in that way. So enough for this video. Now I'm ending this video, so keep safe. Thank you for watching my video.